Welcome back. To get the most out of these videos, I need you to get to the point where the material provided by Flutter, the great material provided by Flutter, is not sufficient. So I give you a very basic learning path to get to the point where the out-of-the-box state management is not sufficient, where things are getting a bit tricky. As I said already, Flutter provides great material, so I'm not copying this material. This is my suggested learning path. Depending from the knowledge you have already, from the programming languages you know already. You have to learn Dart, great language. If you know Kotlin, it's almost the same. Get started, install everything according to your platform, and then go through this material provided. I guess this will take you about 2 to 4 days, and then we can start and dig into things a bit deeper. Have a look at it, how to make it properly, or a bit better than the material as it is, than Flutter as it is. See you back then. Bye bye.